If touch the set load, this page come, write XIAMEN2. Machine can have a standard raft, mean AWG 26, Newton 8.9, kg 0.8. If to choose this one, and AWG, here come the set load kg n. Again come here, another. Also here have memory, can put the memory. Then final, back to the home page. Okay, click set load. This page come. Here have some standard, wire standard and force. AWG 28.6 till the 14. Draw, then go to the another page, AWG 1 wanted. Then come another, here is a around 16 memory. One, you can put the mm, for example, you can 1 mm, 2, then Newton and kg. You can put any number you need, 50N. Okay, change to the kg. If you want to use this one, click 1, then here information come, 5.1 kg, if change to Newton 15. 16 memory can put in the machine.